it's my opinion that anyone who is an event marketer, an event producer, a meeting planner, anyone who heads up a team is now like cross every one of those titles out, and now they're talent manager, right? Their job really is to hire the right people, and to do that, they really need to create the right strategy. Look at your staff and create a talent strategy. What skills do they need now? What do they have in on staff? And you have those conversations and you start to play around and put people where they need to be, and then look to see where what skills you need moving forward.
If I am a company and I'm looking to hire someone, I can just register on your site.
We make it safe. We make it easy. We make it cheap. We make it quick. I mean, it really is the quickest, easiest way for you to hire people.